And we're at Stanley Park in Calgary, Stanley Park, and the meeting of the dogs here today. The meeting of the dogs today here.
About the he wants to as a
puppy. Oh, okay.
So do you think maybe you like cut his nails
and here's a curious.
This one's enjoying carrots.
Here's a curious little critter down here. He's enjoying a feast of a carrot. We're at Stanley Park in Calgary, and it's Wednesday afternoon today, Wednesday the 29th, I believe it is, or Wednesday the 30th, or 29th of July.
I have a blue one that has a clip, or a red one that matches without a clip. And I can get you a matching blue set, and if you like the red, but what would you prefer, functionality? They took the medium. Oh no! Really? That's not that good. It was for a purpose. You were supposed to save it for the red lady. I told you.
I tried, but Rebecca walked up and started grabbing stuff, and I'm not telling off Rebecca.
It's better to be smaller because then it won't fit in.
Nope. Sam. That is not rhubarb.
And this is a socialization training down here at Stanley Park. Everyone's trying to get it's a training session for dogs. Down here.
Lady, leave it.
You want a
He's
carrot?
like, I'll say hi to your carrots.
Here you go.
Oh, he's okay.
Here, lady.
Oh, he loves your carrots.
I see.
He's gonna know about you.
There you go. He's very responsive, eh? Good boy. Could have protected the carrot.
Whatever you want to do.
Right up against the rubber.
Hey. Yeah. This will be a good one. And we're at Stanley Park in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and this is a meeting of the dogs today. They're here for a training session. It's to train the dogs. One person that's here, she's trying to train her dog not to go after squirrels. When she gives her dog a command, she wants her dog not to go after squirrels, but to focus on what she's saying. So that's one of the reasons here that why they had the training session here. Obedience, more of an obedience here. And that dog is trying to show everyone who the boss is.
Alright. Okay, got everybody. Got 5 dogs. Well, alright, come in a little bit.
Nice, beautiful little retriever. He reminds me of Roxy.
Yeah, beautiful dogs.
All right,
Yeah.
welcome. This is going to be a really fun class. Haven't had a class this
He's
fall.
only young.
You understand that?
Great.
He wants to be seen.
Depending on lessons, because they're smaller, you might end earlier just because people. But I always add stuff that was the first thing that you're going to do for now, when he's barking, just like walk forward and backwards. Go backwards a bit harder than that. Walk straight backwards. Let go of the leash. Yeah, like that.
How
And then
old
walk
is
forward.
her? I want to ask.
In the back. You're doing this in a sec anyways, but okay, just keep doing that while I'm talking. Keep it. Good, good, good. So the first thing we're going to work on is leash pulling. So we're going to use these here to get our dogs pull. All of our anti-leash activities are essentially focus exercises. We'll get your dogs from us instead of everything else. So what you're going to do, you're going to walk in first here. Walk at it, and if your dog is going one way, don't do that. I made no next time. Let them get stuck. Let them get stuck. Don't try to help them. When they get stuck, so do not try and clothesline them. This is not strangle the dog class. This is train the dog class. So obviously Quill has a pretty good grasp of how that works, but I'll end up touching all of your butts, but in this course, I'm so sorry.
Does the dog have the carriage on me? They don't. That's it.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Well, the one dog was very observant and sorry.
And we're at Stanley Park Pool in Calgary. Stanley Park Pool. Stanley Park Pool in Calgary. A beautiful day today. A beautiful summer day. The pool is closed for the evening now. And it's July 29th. July the 30th today. July the 30th. Wednesday, July the 30th. And the meeting of the dogs for a training session here. And there they go. Well, I think all of the dogs are. The meeting of the dogs today. And the police helicopter's up above too for the meeting of the dogs too. And that's another view at the pool over here. Stanley Park Pool in Calgary, and there's a look at the park around here. And there's the police helicopter up in the sky there. It's way up in the sky. If I zoom in here, you'll be able to see the Hawks Calgary police helicopter. They were watching the dogs. And in a few months' time, this will all be covered in snow, unfortunately, here. Dogs.
Dog training class.
And the dog training class is over now. That was the dog training class that everyone was watching at Stanley Park. And there's the pool over there. The pool is all closed here now. There's some more dogs over there. We're going to walk over and get some video of the pool over here. It'll be nice to enjoy this. It'll be nice to enjoy the scenery of the pool here when it's all, whenever we're into the winter here, into the winter months. This will all be covered in snow. This is Stanley Park Pool in Calgary. It's $6 for admission to get in.
You can't go here? Like where? No, it's so cool. Can I try it?
And there's still some dogs lingering around here too.
You know, it takes a certain breed of person